Welcome to Technical Jobs India, where we connect skilled professionals with leading companies in the tech industry. Discover exciting career opportunities and future technologies that are shaping the world. Future Technologies is a specialized recruitment and staffing company dedicated to delivering top-tier technical talent across various engineering domains. With a deep understanding of the technology landscape, we help organizations find the right fit for their needs. Our organization collaborates with top IT and engineering firms across India. This video showcases current technical job openings, helping viewers identify and apply for positions that match their skill sets. Opportunities are available for both entry-level and experienced engineers. Tata Advanced Systems Limited is a prominent player in aerospace and defense solutions, aspiring to be the partner of choice for the government's Make in India initiative. With integrated solutions across air, land, and sea, they offer a range of opportunities for engineers. Explore diverse career paths at Tata Advanced Systems Limited, including roles in mechanical engineering, electronics, and digitization. Whether you're a diploma holder or a B.Tech graduate, there's a place for you in their innovative teams. To apply for Tussle Careers, visit their official careers page for current roles and recruitment drives. Join their talent community to share your resume and receive updates on new opportunities. For career opportunities at Tata Advanced Systems Limited, write to them at the provided email or visit their website. Submit your application at your convenience and take the next step in your career. Qualcomm India is a world leader in wireless technology, pioneering innovations in 5G and beyond. With a focus on intelligent products and solutions, they empower industries to connect and thrive in the digital age. Qualcomm India offers exciting career opportunities in areas like hardware engineering, machine learning, and embedded software. Join their team to work on cutting-edge technologies and drive innovation forward. Visit Qualcomm India's official website to explore current openings and submit your application. The job application link is provided for your convenience, so apply at the earliest possible time. NXP Semiconductors is a leading company in semiconductor manufacturing and design, with a strong presence in the European market. They offer innovative solutions in automotive electronics, industrial IoT, and mobile communications. NXP Semiconductors provides career opportunities in automotive electronics, industrial IoT, and mobile communications. Join their team to work on advanced technologies and contribute to the future of connectivity. To apply for NXP Semiconductors Careers, visit their official careers page and fill out the form for experienced professionals or freshers. Submit your application at the earliest possible time using the provided link. Agicom Telesystems Limited is an Indian company specializing in EV charging solutions and power systems for telecommunications. With over 3 decades of experience, they manufacture both AC and DC chargers for residential and commercial use. Agicom Telesystems Limited offers technical and engineering roles in embedded systems, RF design, and quality assurance. Join their team to work on innovative projects and contribute to the future of power solutions. Visit Agicom Telesystems Limited's official careers page to apply for positions as an experienced professional or fresher. Submit your application using the provided link at the earliest possible time. Amber Enterprises India is a leading manufacturer of air conditioning components and has expanded into various industries through acquisitions. They offer diverse career opportunities for fresh graduates and experienced professionals. Amber Enterprises India provides roles for multi-skilled technicians, assistant engineers, and project managers. Join their team to work on innovative solutions and contribute to the future of manufacturing. Visit Amber Enterprises India's official website to explore current openings and submit your application. For career-related inquiries, contact them via email and apply at your convenience. Texas Instruments India is a significant player in the semiconductor industry, specializing in analog and embedded processing chips. They offer career opportunities in design and development across various industries. Discover exciting career opportunities at Texas Instruments India by visiting their official website. Explore current openings and submit your application to join a leading company in the industry. For any career-related inquiries, feel free to reach out via email. The job application link is conveniently shared below for your ease. Megamax Services is a renowned global IT managed services and technology company, driving digital transformation through innovative solutions like IT infrastructure, cloud solutions, application development, and cybersecurity. With headquarters in Noida, India, and a presence in the USA and UK, Megamax is at the forefront of technological advancement. Megamax Services offers a variety of roles in IT infrastructure and operations, cloud and DevOps, cybersecurity, and application modernization and support. Whether you're a fresh graduate or an experienced professional, Megamax is hiring for diverse positions that match your skills and domain expertise. To apply for exciting career opportunities at Megamax Services, visit their official website to explore current openings and submit your application. For any career-related inquiries, you can contact them via email. The job application link is shared below for your convenience. Moschip Technologies Limited is a leader in silicon and product engineering services, offering over 2 decades of experience in delivering end-to-end product design and development. As a trusted partner in semiconductor, SoC design, and AI/ML engineering, Moschip combines domain expertise with a global delivery model to accelerate innovation and success. Moschip Technologies offers roles in semiconductor/SoC design, physical design, embedded systems, firmware, and driver development. They are hiring fresh graduates, experienced professionals, and domain specialists to join their innovative team and contribute to cutting-edge projects. Explore career opportunities at Moschip Technologies by visiting their official website. Discover current openings and submit your application to become part of a leading technology company. For career-related inquiries, contact them via email. The job application link is shared below for your convenience. Applying directly through a company's career page can be advantageous as it often indicates a more serious interest in the company and leads to a more direct and potentially faster application process. It allows the company to collect more detailed information and showcase their brand to the applicant. It's crucial to be aware that legitimate employers do not ask for payment during the hiring process. If someone requests money for job placement, interviews, or training, it is likely a scam. Protect yourself from fraudulent activities and ensure your job search is safe and secure. Thank you for your attention and interest in exploring career opportunities with leading companies. We hope this presentation has provided valuable insights and guidance for your career journey. Wishing you success in your future endeavors.